Good evening, YouTubers. This is Robert Sackler here. Long time no see, everybody. I hope everybody's doing really good. I have been busy with a lot of things. I have spent some time down at the club doing some cleaning and straightening up. I have been doing a lot more modeling than I have been working on layouts. If everything goes well, I should have an announcement in the next couple of weeks about what's going on with layouts. It'd be really good news, finally. But let's talk about one thing that happened with my River Club. If most of you know, I'm part of the Suncoast Mountain River Club. I've actually been president of this club for about 8 years now. And I've been involved with this club since I was 15. I joined in the summer of 1998. And let me tell you, it's been one hell of a ride. It's been a nice ride. Of course, with any organization, there's always going to be ups and downs. We've been through that. But back of 2017, we were part of the MRA show when they had it here in Orlando, and we were part of the stop, and that was a really awesome experience. And now another one underneath the belt is Scale Trains Road Trip. They went to our club last night. That was an awesome experience. And we have 4 YouTubers there in that little room of ours. We had Jim from Millennium County Railroad. He was there. We had Tom from Tom's Stranger Things. And we even have Dave from Crooked River and Eastern Railroad. He was also there. And myself included. Man, that was a really nice little meetup with everybody down there. We all had a good time running trains. Off the Jim from Millennium County, Crooked River, Dave from Crooked River, and myself and Jim's wife, we all went out for a late lunch. Then stop over at Zinnick Trains to do some quick shopping, head back to the club, and listen to Shane from Scale Trains with his wife and his dog Bear. It was good, man. I'm still excited about that. It was such an awesome experience. And afterwards, they had some stuff for show, and they allowed us to run the museum quality big turbine. That was cool. I even took one of my boxes I had there, which is my River Account 40-2, and it has string sign it, which is really neat. So that was cool. I know between the past couple of years now, I have purchased a lot of new things, some deals. I haven't put them in anything together yet because you see my workbench is a mess right now. My layout's a mess right now. But I am going to show some videos and some pictures. We have a picture of all 4 of us together in our clubhouse with Jim, Dave, Tom, and I. I'm actually going to try to get this picture sent to Walgreens and blow it up, put it on my wall. They even brought the GB30s. I got to hell one of my pre-orders, which was my CSX Road Slug. That was awesome. So I'm just letting you know everything's going really well. Everything's doing pretty good. I haven't stopped modeling. I just been collecting more than I should. The only thing I ask to you guys, if you keep an eye out for me, if you can message me, these are made by Bachman. They're chassis. I'm looking for just the chassis only, these short gondolas. I know some of the newer Bachman ones. I took one apart already. I'm gonna move this out. Wait for a second. They have the body mounted couplers on the newer ones, the screw couplers. This is the old style one. I'm not too worried about the old style, the new style, because I can always change the trucks and I can always buy them out the couplers. It doesn't bother me. I have 2 right now. I'm looking for roughly about 24 cars total. I'm just looking for all chassis. So if you have any chassis ones that you think you don't want no more, or you may be selling, hit me up and let me know. I'll put my email address on the bottom. And most of you can catch me on Facebook too. You see me, send me a message through Facebook, and then we'll get together on it. I'm building it. I'm going to be building a welded rail train, and I'm looking for a few more of these cars. So that's what I have going on right now. So without further ado, I'm going to stop here, and I'll have some pictures and videos throughout the end of this video. And one of the riding bys will be for David. He'll understand it. I have a video for you. And other than that, guys, y'all be safe out there. Like I said, hopefully in a couple weeks I'll have another video with some really good news with the layout. So Y'all have a train test today. Enjoy the video and pictures, and be safe. See ya.
Moving 40 tables, that's about